Hi friends, in last video we have seen observations for chemical change, more conditions that are involved in chemical reaction and what are catalysts. In this video we are going to see types of chemical reactions. Basically there are four types of chemical reactions. First one, composition reaction, decomposition reaction, displacement reaction and double displacement reaction. Now let us go step by step. Types of chemical reaction. Combination reaction. What is combination reaction? Definition for combination reaction is when two or more reactants combine together to form single product is known as combination reaction. We'll understand the definition clearly with the given examples here. We have taken two reactants. One is carbon and the second one is oxygen. These two reactants combine together to form single product that is known as carbon dioxide. Second example, hydrogen plus oxygen together combines to form water that is in liquid form. Now let us get into second point. What is decomposition reaction? When single reactant decomposes to form two or more products is known as decomposition reaction. We'll understand this definition clearly with the example of calcium carbonate limestone treating in 1000 degrees centigrade. This is symbol for temperature. When we treat limestone with 1000 degrees centigrade, we get calcium oxide, that is quicklime. Calcium oxide is also known as quicklime and carbon dioxide. This decomposition reaction is divided into three types that are thermochemical, photochemical and electrochemical. What is thermochemical reaction? A chemical reaction that takes place with the help of heat. With the help of heat is known as thermochemical reaction. Example already we have seen many times, that is limestone, calcium carbonate. We are treating calcium carbonate with 1000 degrees centigrade to form quicklime, calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Second one, photochemical. What is photochemical reaction? When a chemical reaction that takes place with the help of sunlight, is known as photochemical reaction. We will understand this definition with an example. Silver chloride. When we are treating silver chloride in sunlight, we get silver plus chloride. When we treat silver chloride in sunlight, this silver turns into silver metal, that in grey color. Coming to third point, electrochemical. What is electrochemical reaction? When a chemical reaction that takes place with the help of electricity is known as electrochemical reaction. Example, electrolysis of water. That is there in your textbook, page number 9. That is when water, H2O, is treated with electricity, that gives hydrogen plus oxygen. Both are in gas state. Now coming to third point, displacement reaction. What is displacement reaction? When more reactive element displaces with less reactive element for its compound is known as displacement reaction. This definition we can understand clearly with example. Zinc reactant is joining with copper sulfate. These two are reactants combining together to form zinc sulfate plus copper. Now here zinc is more reactive element. This zinc is replacing copper. So in product we can see zinc is replaced by copper, zinc sulfate. Here copper sulfate. In products we have seen zinc sulfate plus copper. Coming to fourth point, double displacement reaction. What is double displacement reaction? When there is mutual exchange of ions takes place, then it is known as double displacement reaction. What are ions? Ions nothing but as atoms, charged atoms or molecules. We'll understand this definition with an example. Sodium sulfate, that is in aqueous form, we are treating with barium chloride. These two are reactants, both are in aqueous form, combines together to form products barium sulfate plus sodium chloride. There is ion exchange, you can see here, from reactants as well as in products. Here reactant barium chloride, but in product we got barium sulfate, and here in reactant we got sodium sulfate, but in product we got sodium chloride. There is mutual exchange of ions that takes place in this chemical reaction. Dear students, in next video we'll be dealing types of chemical reactions involving energy, redox reaction, corrosion and rancidity. With that I conclude. Thank you. Have a nice day.